Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing um, Python, and yeah, we're gonna do this, and I think this one is lesson number 15. But yeah, let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to share this to all of your friends and tell them to subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. So string equals input input. Please enter your own. Please enter your own word. And then do this, and then boom, and next line. Then char equals input. Char equals input. Please enter your own character. Please enter your own character. 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 Then I equals 0. Control Z. I equals 0. What is going on? No. Oh my god. I gotta do like this and no, it's still. I equals 0. And then count equals 0. Count equals 0. While I do len string no space, and then if string if oh wait string I equals no, it's supposed to be outside. If I equals no, if I equals char, yeah, this, and then enter, and then count equals count plus 1. Count equals count plus 1. Okay. I equals I plus 1. I equals I plus 1. And then print the total number of times per. No! print the total numbers. The total number of times. So right now there's no space. I didn't put a space. Char has occurred. No, it's supposed to be occurred. There we go. That's the project. Control C help. And let's go do that. And let's run. Let's see. Oh, what's my favorite? Sushi. Character. I don't know what character. I don't know which character. I don't know. I'm just gonna add Sushi Man. I forgot to do it. No. I knew there was an error. I was like, oh, what is this? Okay, let me just delete that. Put in this one. And let's do this sushi. Sushi Man. Okay, so that's the project. So that was all for today's video. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, share this with your friends. And bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.